All right, what's going on, everybody? I'm getting ready to do the back brakes. I just did the front brakes. Hopefully I was able to put out a video that made sense on that. But yeah, so to start off with, I want to remove, see where it's at. I'm looking for the master cylinder for this bike. So I'm going to replace the rear brakes. Basically, I'm hoping anything that I got to do is, where is it at? No, it's not there. There's a pin somewhere. Oh, right here. Pin right there. I got to remove that, or that's the cover for it, and then remove that, and then the pin comes out, and then pull out. Then the back brakes are like right there. Just one pin. We'll pull them out, pull the pin out, your rear ones fall out. You put it back in. I'm gonna try to still stick a Phillips screwdriver in that side, see if it'll hold it. And then pull the front ones out and then put everything back. So I gotta take, I think that should be, well, that is the brake. That's the brake reservoir for the back. So I'm going to try to open that up. That way, when you pry the caliper apart with a screwdriver, it has some way, it lets the fluid flow. So I'm going to try to take that cap off, pry the brake shoe out, and then replace the pads. So, all right, let's get to it. So I'm going to try to take this brake reservoir cap off. I don't know if I can or not. I'm hoping, yeah. Again, do not get this stuff. It doesn't look horrible, I suppose, but it's full too. All right, take that off, leave it off. We'll pry the brake shoe back off of here, basically with the screwdriver. All right, so what I want to do is stick a screwdriver in here, hopefully, and pry this brake caliper apart. Which isn't hard. I mean, it seems to go right off the rip. Use a thinner one to make sure both sides are down. Let's do that real quick. Let's see if it. Let's move both sides. The back. Gotta make sure both of them are in. So just take a flashlight, because if they're not both in, then it's going to be hard to get the pad in. So get the brake caliper or brake pads back, and then this little flat head here needs to come out. It's not very long, so don't lose it. This is still 5mm like the front one. This is the brake pad. This is the pin I'm pulling with the 5mm Allen key. So it's out. So what we got to do is just pull this pin to where this bottom brake pad comes out. Hopefully. Maybe. Okay. All right, pull the pin out somewhat, if you can. I'm going to use a screwdriver. Probably not the best way to do it, but... All right, yeah, the smaller brake pads are for the rear. Then I did again, like the front, I put anti-squeak stuff on it. So just make sure they're the same. Yeah. So this is the new one, this is the old one. They look this, they are the same. So you should be good to put this back. And it's probably like the front, the place that it goes to hold it. So I'm going to go around to the other side to see if it's easy to tell. See where that bottom is in that little groove? If the camera would focus. Anyway, it fits in the brake caliper down at the bottom. Okay. Yeah, no shims. Remove your yeah, we're going to keep the shims though, just in case. Sometimes at some point we may need them. Alrighty. That back is about done. I mean, literally, that's easy pie. Easy, easy, easy. Anti-seize. Just around it a couple times and be done with it. That's it. And here is the plug. Anyway, I'm putting this plug back. That goes exactly where the brake pin goes. Putting the cap on the So I want to replace the cap to the master cylinder for the back brake, and then pump the brakes, I think, and then it should be done. Literally, it's easy. If you ever thought about if it's going to be a pain in the butt, it is not. Just like anything, take your time. Don't rush. All right. Get a repair manual. Get a repair manual. And that's it. Now, let's pump the brakes. Anyway, literally just 5-10 minutes. You can do this on the ground. I just happen to have a lift. So if you think you need to do this at the dealer, just try it. You know, watch multiple YouTube videos if you have to. And it's not really that hard. Just the front is as easy as the back. So even though I may have screwed the front up, if you follow the instructions, do not, like my brake shoe says, do not reinstall the shims. I would have had it done in the same amount of time. So anyway, if you like this video or any of my other videos, I would appreciate it if you'd like to subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. And we will talk to you later.